Howdy, traders. Happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend and a good trading day today. So let's kind of just jump right into it. The first thing I'm doing always is just waiting for the market to open, especially on a Monday. I'm not trying to get too crazy. And because this is a new month, this is a new quarter, new week, new day, just kind of let them open up and see where they want to take it. But yeah, right around 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, everything was just kind of pointing in the downward direction. We had a uh, gamma line, a major negative uh, gamma price level here at 5,450. And again, this is the SPX on a 10 minute. So just looking at the cash session here. So, my thinking was let's just wait for, some sort of pullback here. We got it. And yeah, I just took a quick scalp here for just about 8 points. I took it a little early, a little paper handed there, but nice positive trade. Honestly, wasn't looking to go really huge or do a lot of trades today. It is Monday, and we do have a lot of stuff going on, but it did eventually hit that 54.50 price level and really did have a nice bounce right back up to the middle of the range and just kind of stayed there for the rest of the day. Or it's our pretty much our private, or it's pretty much our favorite point, the 54.70 level that's been there all week, the last couple weeks. Yeah, so I think what we're doing is just waiting on we've got Jerome Powell tomorrow morning, and then we also have a bunch of job numbers coming out for the rest of the week. We got the JOLTS jobs data coming out as well. So I think the market's going to respond to that. Don't have a real big opinion either way. Although if you follow Twitter or you are looking at some of the other uh, like recruiting firms that are publicly traded, like Robert Half or Insperity or something like that, you look at their call transcripts from last quarter, and you can just, the real tone there is that there's just not a ton of hiring going on, and it's very selective. You see that tech is not hiring much at all. So it'll be interesting to see what these numbers bear out. But yeah, so I think the market's waiting a ton on that. And then a couple of ideas that we had last week with the swing trading ideas, they're actually doing pretty great. So we've got Tesla doing really well. So let's put our swing charts up real quick. Yep. Let's get this down a bit. So Tesla's been performing really well. We had the break, nice little retracement. We're able to get in a little bit here, and then it's been off to the races. We are targeting this 220 level as our first target, almost there. We did get a bit of looks like a tiny little gap fill here. We'll see if we get some continuation tomorrow. Hopefully we do. That'd be nice to take some off the table and maybe move the stops up just a little bit and reduce our risk. And yeah, take some profits. So, but we'll still be in it because we're still looking for that earnings ramp. And yeah, yeah, just continue to monitor that one. Not going to try to manage it too much. And we've had Roku. There's also the other swing trade, which we did hit our first target. I think we're up around 10% so far. So still got plenty of room here. Would love to see it fly that way. Just again, we called this out that this little point of control for the year is could be a hindrance. It did pull back slightly today after hitting that. So what we'd like to see is we'd like to see it just jump over that and then keep motoring up. Don't forget Tuesday evening, we'll go over some more swing stuff. So we're going to let those numbers come out. We're going to see how the market responds, and then we're going to kind of check out like the rotations, where things might be heading, where people are positioning, and have some ideas where we might go as well. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe and set the alerts because I don't know when I'm going to be putting these out, but they're usually right after market or maybe sometime in the evening. So hope to talk to you then and have a good one.